I just wanted to take this opportunity to just send a big virtual hug to everyone out there, especially the essential workers. You guys, please stay safe. It's been a while, but I'm back with a new video. I have some scraps because we have to stay inside. We can't go out shopping for crafting material. So I have these items. They're all in silver, and the goal is to create a crystal room. I've seen it all the time when they have these really amazing mirrored furniture and stuff like that. So I'm going to create a miniature version of a crystal room. And before we start, I'm going to ask that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So we're using a box, and My Froggy Stuff had did this a couple of weeks ago on a video. So I'm kind of taking the idea. I wanted to set up a bedroom. I wanted to do a big window on this side. And I have these little soap boxes. Those are going to be like the end tables. The bed is going to be in the center. So I am removing the tabs from the top. Just going to cut those away. And I'm going to create a little skylight by cutting out a rectangle from the top. Then I'll assemble the box back together and put everything in place with a little glue. For the walls, I just Google searched textured wallpaper, and I'm going to print that out and attach it to the box with a little glue stick and also some flooring. I decided not to cut out the window, so we're just going to use this nice little picture for a faux window. And for the trim, I'm using craft foam. And around the edge, I just kind of avoided where the boxes were going to be. So for the side tables, I'm just going to stuff the box with tissue paper, cover it with my metallic paper. And I have this washi tape that I'm going to use to create faux drawers. And I just used a jump ring and a rhinestone. So for the lamps, I'm using the push pops. I'm going to wrap it with craft foam so that it fits inside of one of my favorite materials, the pants hanger, the cardboard from pants hanger. I'm going to use a little silver marker to cover up the ring of the cardboard, and the perimeter I'm going to cover with this diamond wrap. And for the lampshade, all we're using is just plain white poster board, just gluing it across there. So I have very little space for the actual bed. It's about 4.5 inches, and I got my computer repaired and they sent it back. It was shipped back with this foam. So I'm going to see if I could use this foam for cushions. And it wasn't that easy to use. The foam melted with the hot glue. I don't know if it was the fabric, the satin I was using or not, but our little faux bed is not large enough for the doll. I also used another piece of foam for the headboard, covered it up, and the goal is for everything to fit back in the box when I'm done. I used some rhinestones and glued them to the headboard, and these came from a bracelet, and I'm just going to put these on the side wall as like some wall art. A fancy design. So we're going to cut up this old t-shirt, and I just glued it across the top. This is going to be our curtain. And this nice little wire ribbon, we're going to use at the balance. I wrapped up some of that metallic paper and created like this little ring to pull our curtains back. For the flooring, this is just a towel. You could always use a towel for your flooring. You could either cut it up or if you just want to take some photographs, you could just lay it down and then put it back in the bathroom when you're done. For the bedding, all I did was just cut up some fur, and we're going to add pillows, which are really, really cute. This last little glitter pillow is from that ribbon, that same ribbon that we use for the window balance. So I'm still using materials that I already have. That is the hangers for a shower curtain. I used a 2-liter bottle. I covered it with fur to create this little cute little egg chair. And it wasn't my original plan, but it turned out cute anyway. And I added a little piece of felt for a small little rug, and I made another pillow for the chair. And I thought I was all through, but I wanted to make a little breakfast tray to sit on the bed. And this is my Froggy Stuff's breakfast tray with a slight variation. I used wire to make it stand and painted the popsicle sticks around the perimeter. I added some items to the tray, just gluing a bead to a rhinestone, gluing a plants inside of a bottle cap with a button on the bottom to make it stand, make the little vase stand. And lastly, this is another piece of our pants hanger. And you just cover it up, put a little label on there, put the little silver paper on top, make it look like a candle. And I found some pearls, and they all fit very nicely on our breakfast tray. And here's the crystal room. It's super cute, and it's making me like really want to redesign my bedroom. I really like how it turned out. I know I say that in all the videos, but this was super cute, and I was like really proud because I didn't buy anything. I just used everything that I already had in the house. So I want to thank you for watching. You guys are so awesome. I appreciate your support so much. You know that I love to hear from you, so hit me up on Facebook, on Instagram, or on Twitter. I love to read your comments. And for leaving a comment on the last video, we're going to officially welcome Freeform is Life to the red carpet. Thanks again for leaving a comment, and I appreciate you so very much. I'll see you at the next video, and remember, it's more fun to make it.